Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 and you keep getting this error, BIOS firmware update required, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 easily. So if you can't update your BIOS firmware, then this solution is for you. First off, you're going to have to go into your BIOS menu. So open up your start menu right here, settings, go into system, scroll down, go into recovery, click on advanced startup and then click restart now here, and then follow the on-screen instructions to go into your BIOS menu. Once you're in your BIOS, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up the advanced mode by pressing F2 or just clicking onto advanced mode here. And once you're in advanced mode, now what you're going to do is you're going to go into settings and then you're going to go into MISC here. Once you're in MISC, now you're going to have AMD CPU fTPM or Intel CPU fTPM here. You're going to enable it, and then once you have enabled it, you're going to go into save and exit and restart your computer. And once you're done with the computer restart, now you're going to go into your BIOS menu again, and this time you're going to go into boot, and then you're going to turn off CSM support here. After you've turned off CSM support, now you're going to go into secure boot, and then you're going to enable secure boot on here. If for some reason you can't enable secure boot, then you're going to go down into secure boot mode and change it from standard to custom and then restore factory keys. Once you restore factory keys, it's going to ask you to restart your computer. So you're going to restart your computer and then go back into your BIOS. Now you're going to go into secure boot and you're going to enable it and then set secure boot mode back to standard. After that, you're going to go into save and exit and restart your computer then. Once you're done with the computer restart, now you're going to open up your games platform, which is Steam for me. Right click on Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4, click Properties, Install Files, click Verify and tear your game files here. After you're done with that, close this up, open up the Xbox app on your computer, and then go into your username, click onto Support, click on Gaming Services Repair Tool, click on Start Repairing then. It's going to take a minute or two to complete this process. Once it's done with that, now you're going to go ahead and try to play the game, and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that update required error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.